Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'll cover very interesting and exciting feature of PowerPoint in which you learn how to convert PowerPoint slides into video in just 3 simple steps. If you are a trainer, a student, a teacher, or a presenter, and if you want to adopt new ways to present your ideas and doesn't want to go for same old traditional techniques. So now you don't need to be so much techy and no need any video editing software. Yes, just create PowerPoint slides and convert it into video and upload wherever you want, be it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any other place. So let's start it and jump onto the PC screen. Okay, we are on the screen now. Here is the PowerPoint slide which I've already opened for you, which I'll be converting into video as a test case. First, make sure you have the latest PowerPoint version to avail this facility. Now on the top bar, there is a slideshow option which I've already clicked. Once I click on the slideshow, I got this option, record slideshow. When I click on this option, there are two other options. Record from the current slide and record from the beginning. Record from the current slide is for those who wanted to start from the middle of their presentation, and record from the beginning is for those who wanted to start the video from the very first slide. Now in my case, I will be selecting record from the beginning. Once I click on the record from the beginning, I got this to be selected: slide and animation timing, narration ink, and laser point. Yes, I wanted these two options to be added in my video. Once I start the recording, then the recording will be started. The PowerPoint slide is converting into the video. So let's start with the recording. Hello and welcome you all. We are making a test video how to convert PowerPoint into video in just 3 simple steps. Let's have a look. What are those 3 steps? 3 steps to convert PowerPoint into video. First is open, second is select, and third is export. Open the PowerPoint slides, select the slideshow option and start recording, as we have already told you the process. Then finally export to create a video. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your presentation into video. Yes, congratulations, this is converted into the video. Now you can see a speaker button here that shows that your PowerPoint is converted into the video. That's not all. You have to go to the file option, then you have to export it. Then we have to create a video, then we have to select full HD, like I will be converting it to full HD 1080p. If you want to convert into the Ultra HD 4K, you will select this option, but for me I'm selecting full HD. Use recorded timing and narrations. Yes, create to video, then give it a path. I will selecting it into the desktop and save. Now you can see there is your video rendering. This is the last step, and let's wait till it render. Render may take some time depending on the material you record. The more slides, the more time it will take to record. Okay guys, your PowerPoint is now finally converted into the video, as render take some time. Now we'll see where it is saved. It is on the desktop, sample ppt.mp4. Now I'll be opening through its media player. Let's start with the converted video. Hello and welcome you all. We are making a test video how to convert PowerPoint into video in just 3 simple steps. Let's have a look. What are those 3 steps? Three steps to convert PowerPoint into video. First is open, second is select, and third is export. Open the PowerPoint slides, select the slideshow option and start recording, as we have already told you the process. Then finally export to create a video. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your presentation into video. That's all guys. Hope you like this feature. If you like it, do hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for the next video. Do comment also. Alright guys, I'll come again on the same channel with the new feature. So stay tuned. Bye bye.